Okay, folks, we're gonna stick her in some mulberry. Let's see how she does. Here we go. Look at this, folks. Look at this. I want you to look at that. Look at that. You see me just cut it. Yeah. Right there. Yep. Look at that. Yeah. Now let's give you some big noodles. Yabba dabba do, Jesus loves you. Look at that. See that right there? That is called kissing the cutter. That's how we do it here at Razzorsharp. That's the only way to do it. We're gonna burn them cutters. We're gonna turn them up. Watch this, we'll get one more. Oh, baby. Yeah. That right there. Them machines right there, German made. Them Germans are smart, I'm telling you guys. Them are the best automatic chainsaw grinders you ever see. And they do the job. Look here. Look at that. Seriously, I'm about to go out there and stick these wood eaters in some mulberry. You know what? I love it when you guys give me a challenge. Last time, all you haters, the ones, I shouldn't say haters, but the fellas that were this and that, you stick in rotten-wood, why don't you stick in some oak? How'd you like them big chips, fellas? Yeah, ripping and chipping. You seen it in the last video. I'll put a little bit in this video too. But hey, bring it on, Donkey Kong. I'm ready to roll. This fat man can do it. Yeah, I'll make them chains Razzorsharp. And that's just a fact, Jack. I love what I do. I love it. Look here. There's something else. I want to tell you guys something. You guys know of any shop? Any shop. And nobody does this. Up to 36-inch chains. Seriously. 36-inch chains. $7 a piece. Nobody does that. We do. Yeah, why? Because we love our customers. You send us 10 sharpenable chains at one time, and guess what? You get them $7 a piece. That's right. That's how we roll. We roll. Yeah, baby. Hey, look here too. That's right, we love America. We love Jesus, the good Lord above, which is Jesus, and we love our country. And we love our customers too. You know, I take pride in what I do, and that's fact. All you people are, I don't know, that guy's a little goofy. I ain't gonna send my chains to him. Hey, you don't know what the steak tastes like until you try it. And that's a fact. And once you try this steak, oh yeah, you'll be coming back for more. I know you will. Because I take the time to do them right. This is all I do for a living, seriously. See this right here? All day long, I go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Right there, see all them wood eaters? It's just a little bit. I got a whole bunch more inside here. I take care of you. We clean your chains, deburr the chains, take your rakers down, and then, who does this? Huh? Who does that? We do at Razzorsharp. And why? Because we love our customers. Hey fellas, you be safe out there. And right there what it says. Send us those wood eaters, razzorsharp.com. If you have any questions, give me a holler. God bless you. Big noodles coming up. You need to send your chains to Razzorsharp. Seriously, look at these. Look at that. Look at that. And you see how I ran that saw for a little bit, guys and gals. Look at that. Oh my gosh, just look at that. That's phenomenal. Yeah, but look over here once again. Look at these big noodles. Oh, and that's from cutting this way. Not that way. That was noodles. This is chips and noodles. Woo, yeah. Send them to Razzorsharp, folks. We'll take care of you. Yeah.